Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this lace top or summer top. As it's summer, I hope you like this video and make your own summer top. For this top, you will need blue yarn, or you can take any color yarn you want, but make sure it's cotton. And take 3.5mm crochet hook and scissor. You will also need a measuring tape so that it would be easy for you to measure your bust size or the size you want to crochet. For this top, you will need front and back panel. I've already made my front panel, so I will teach you how to make this panel. This panel is super easy. You just need to repeat 5 rows. Let's start. Take your yarn and make a loop. After you have made your loop, make 60 chains plus 3 chains. That is 63 chains. I have made my 60 chains here. Now I will add 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. So this counts as my first stitch. In the 4th stitch chain, I will add a double crochet. And in another chain stitch, I will also add a double crochet. Throughout this row, I will put a double crochet in each stitch. So in total, I will have 60 double crochets. I will meet you after you have made your 60 double crochet in your first row. I am at my last stitch where I will put a double crochet. And then for the next row, I will chain 1 and turn my work. Or you can turn your work and chain 1. I will put 1 single crochet in my first stitch. And then I will chain 2 and skip 2 stitches and put my double crochet in my 3rd stitch. So here we need to make a V-stitch. To make a V-stitch, you need to chain 2 and put a double crochet in the same stitch. This is how you make V-stitch. Now all you need to do is repeat the same row, which is chain 2, skip 2, put a single crochet in the 3rd stitch, and then chain 2, 1, 2 and put a V-stitch, which is skip 2 stitch and put a double crochet, chain 2 and then a double crochet in the same stitch. Follow this pattern throughout this row and I will meet you at the end. I am on my last stitch where I have to make a V-stitch and a single crochet. So here I will put my V-stitch. Now I'll chain 2 and put a single crochet in my last stitch. I have completed my row 2. In total, I have 10 V-stitch in my row 2. For the 3rd round, I will chain 3. This chain 3 also counts as a stitch. In this row, you will be working on the V-stitch or the chain 2 space in the V-stitch. You need to make fan stitch. For the fan stitch, you need to pull your yarn through the V-stitch. You will be left with 3 chain stitches, and then again pull your yarn through the same space and pull through all the 5 stitches. Chain 2, this is the first chain, and then another chain, chain 2. Make another fan stitch, pull your yarn through the space, 3 chains left, and then more. In total there will be 5 stitches. This is how you make your fan stitch. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, pull your yarn through the chain 2 space, again pull your yarn through the chain 2 space. In total you will be left with 5 stitches. Pull through all 5 stitches and chain 2. In the V chain or the V stitch, you need to put 3 unfinished double crochets or 3 fan stitches and chain 2, and then make a fan stitch, chain 2. In total you will have 30 fan stitch in 10 V stitch. I will meet you after you have made all your 30 fan stitch. I have made my 30 fan stitch. In the end, I will put a double crochet in the chain 3 space from the previous round or the previous row, because when we started we chained 3, so in the end we also need to end it with a chain 3, but instead we have ended with a double crochet. For the next round, you need to chain 4. The fourth chain count as chain 1 single crochet, because in this round we will put double crochet in all the spaces. The chain 2 space we will come for the fan stitch, as well as the space that is left between the fan stitch. Let me show you. I put my double crochet in between the chain 2 space of the fan stitch. This is my third double crochet, and in the space between the 2 fan stitches I've also put a double crochet and a chain 1, because in the previous row we had chain 2. So in this round we will chain 1 between all the double crochets we are doing. So in this round, put double crochet, chain 1, double crochet and chain 1 between all the spaces, and I will meet you after we have finished for row 4. I am at the end of row 4, where I will put my double crochet in my last space. For the row 5, it's very simple. All you need to do is chain 3, turn your work and put a double crochet in each stitch. That is, you need to put your double crochet in the space between the double crochets we had done earlier, and you need to put a double crochet in the previous double crochet we had done in the chain 1. So let's do it again. In the space we will do a double crochet, and then in the double crochet itself we will do a double crochet in this row. So in total you will have 60 double crochet because we started with 60 double crochets. I will meet you after you have made all your double crochets. So note that in total you will have 60 double crochets. I'm at the end of row 5 where I will put my double crochet in the space. This is how you make your rows. This is row 1. All 5 rows count as a row 1. In total for this top I have kept 5 rows of this pattern. If you want to make it longer you can add rows, and if you want to make it shorter you can end it in row 3 or row 4. I am at the end of row 5. I will end it with a double crochet and chain 1, and I will cut my yarn. Here I have made both my front and back panel. To join the panel, make sure the pattern is the back side. Put the pattern together and you can sew the ends together. Take any color, thread or yarn you want and sew the ends. Here I've taken a dark blue yarn and a needle. Here I've sewed both my ends and I will turn my work facing the front side of the pattern. Now I will teach you how to make the lower part of this top. The lower part of this top is pretty similar to the pattern we done earlier for the top. So for the lower part, you need to put your yarn through any space you find. To start the lower part, you need to chain 2 and put 2 double crochet in each stitch. The chain 2 also counts as a chain, which is why I just kept 1 stitch in the first stitch. Now put 2 double crochets in each stitch you find. So in total, I have 240 double crochets for this round. I will meet you at the end of this round. Feel free to pause this video to finish your rounds of double crochets. I'm at the end of row 1. and I will put a slip stitch in the chain 3 space. I will chain 3 and 1 chain for the chain 1 space. So I'll put a double crochet, skip 1 chain and put a double crochet in another stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and put a double crochet in another stitch. So in this round, all you need to do is double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and put a double crochet in the next stitch. I will meet you after you have made your row 2 of the lower part of this top. I am at the end of row 2 of this lower part of the top, and I will end it with a slip stitch in the chain 3 space of the first stitch we had done. And then I will put 3 chains, start with 3 chains and put a double crochet in the chain 1 space, and then put another double crochet in the double crochet we had done earlier in the round. So in total you will have 240 double crochets because we started with 240 double crochets. Put your double crochet in the chain 1 space and another double crochet in the double crochet itself from the previous round. So for the row 4, 5, 6 and 7, you need to repeat this 2 pattern. In total, I've made 7 rows of this pattern. You can add more rows or you can make it shorter. I will meet you after you have made all your 7 rows. Now I will teach you how to make the straps for this top. Pull your yarn through any space in the top of your top. Make a loop and pull that loop through any space from the top. Chain 1, for this top I have kept my strap between 15 single crochet, so I will start with 15 single crochets here. We had done 1 single crochet earlier, so this is my second double crochet. And my third double crochet. I will meet you after you have made your 15 double crochet. I have made my 15 double crochet. In the next stitch I will put a half double crochet, a double crochet and a treble crochet in the same stitch, which is stitch 16. After I have made my treble crochet, I will chain 52. You can add more chains or you can also make it less according to your preference. I will meet you after you have made your 52 chains. I have completed my 52 chains. For the strap, now I will put slip stitch in each 52 chains. So in total you will have 51 slip stitches. I will meet you after you have made all your slip stitch. I have completed all my 52 slip stitch. Now I will put a slip stitch in the treble crochet I had done earlier. The next stitch I will put a treble crochet, a double crochet and a half double crochet in the same stitch. Now I will put a double crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch. Continue making a single crochet. I have single crochet 25 times because that is the space between my chest, the space I want where my straps needs to be. You can make more single crochets if you want it wider, or if you want it a little smaller you can crochet little single crochets. For this top I have made 25 single crochets. I will meet you after you have made your 25 single crochet. Here I've made all my 25 single crochet. Like the previous strap, I will put a half double crochet, a double crochet and a treble crochet in the same stitch and 52 chains. I will slip stitch the 52 chains and then put a treble crochet, double crochet and a half double crochet in the same stitch like the previous strap. And I will meet you after you have made your strap. To end the front side of the strap, I will put 15 single crochet like we had done to start the straps. For the back side of the top, you need to put 15 single crochet like we had done earlier, and in the 16 and the 17 single crochets you need to attach the strap. I will show you how to attach the straps. I will meet you after you have made your 15 single crochets. Here I have completed my 15 single crochets. Now I will attach the straps. Make sure the straps are facing the front side. To attach the strap to the back panel, you need to put a single crochet through the straps. In the end of the strap, you will see 2 single crochets and you need to attach it in the single crochet. It might sound quite complicating, but once you start attaching the straps, it will look easier. I've attached my first strap. Now I will make 25 single crochets between the straps and then attach it in my 26 and 27 single crochet. So I will meet you after you have attached both your straps. This is my second strap. Now I'll attach the strap to my 2 single crochets. I'll put my hook through the strap and pull my yarn through both the strap and the panel. This is how I have attached my straps. If you want to attach your strap in your way, you are free to attach it. After I've attached both my straps, I will put 15 single crochets in the final stitches and end my top here. Here are the 15 single crochets to end the top. To end the top, I will put a slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 1, and I will cut my yarn. You can hide the yarn by sewing the ends, or you can simply hide the yarn with your crochet hook like I did. And this is how you make your lace top for this summer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I will meet you in the next video. Happy crocheting. Bye. See you in the next video.